Please welcome Rahul Arya.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this inspiring journey of a legend, our mentor, our leader, Mr. Manish Tiwari. मनीष जी जमीन से जुड़े हुए इंसान हैं, तो क्यों ना उनकी कहानी भारत की मिट्टी से ही देखते हैं। It's said, if you wish to go fast, go alone, but if you wish to go far, go together. And Manish is here for the long run. Life is like a marathon. और ये तो अमेज़न के असली मैराथन मैन हैं। जमशेदपुर से शुरू हुई उनकी जर्नी। His roots were built on a legacy of perseverance. He once aspired to be an IAS officer, but destiny had other plans. Post his engineering and an MBA from IIM, Manish's corporate journey began at HUL, where he spent 22 years before making a shift to Amazon. Let's dive into the story of this extraordinary marathon man. The journey to top of Mount Everest starts with one single step. मनीष जी की कहानी शुरू हुई जमशेदपुर से, जहां उन्होंने टाटा वैल्यूज के साथ अपब्रिंगिंग पाई। इंजीनियरिंग के बाद IIM बैंगलोर गए। It was here in IIM that he met his wife Pooja. Manish and Pooja supported each other in their journey. Post IIM, he joined Hindustan Unilever and built a 22-year career in FMCG. To reach somewhere you have never been to, you have to take a path you have never taken before. He left his stable job at HUL before making a remarkable shift to Amazon. Just like in marathon, you will not always find smooth roads, but difficult roads may lead you to beautiful landscapes. He picked up running at Unilever but continued running because marathoners never stop. Manish embraced the change and the challenges head on. The start of his marathon at Amazon was like the beginning of a new race. In 2016, he took up challenge in the vast, competitive e-commerce market. मनीष ने एक ऐसी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम बनाई जो उनके साथ मिली, जिसने उनका पैशन जिया और उनके विजन को अपनाया। कोई भी फंक्शन हो, they are one Amazon and have only one motto: to sprint towards the milestones they want to reach as IN stores. Amazon was like racing through India's diverse marketplace. Manish ran through every terrain, connecting millions of customers and sellers across the country. Remember the Great Indian Festival sales? Under his leadership, they grew bigger and better each year. Customers' love grew manifold, with Khushiyon Ka Dibba reaching millions of Indian households. Even faster for Amazon Prime members. Prime members की खुशियां दुगनी हो गईं, क्योंकि now they could enjoy variety of content directly on with Prime Video reaching millions of homes. India now recognizes Amazon as Aapki Apni Dukaan. This Aapki Apni Dukaan has brought in prosperity to large number of sellers, helping them become more and more prosperous. Lakhpati bane, करोड़पति बने, India के कोने-कोने से बने. These efforts enabled digitizing over 6.2 million MSMEs, created 1.3 million jobs, and enabled $8 billion in exports. This is the true power of Manish's marathon. Under his leadership, Amazon India bagged top honors. Business Today, #1 company to work for. LinkedIn Best Places to Grow Career. Government of India Empowerment Award, and many more. This journey has not been an easy one. Year after year, there were newer challenges, with consumer landscape evolving and customers increasing expectations. Just like a mountaineer climbing uphill, there's rain, thunderstorms, snow and more, but he keeps climbing upwards. With his guiding light, the team is now near their milestones, and now new horizons are calling Manish. As he waves goodbye, Amazon India की पूरी टीम उनको cheer कर रही है. We thank you, Manish, for guiding us through every twist and turn of this journey. रास्ता आपने दिखाया, मंजिल तक हम पहुंच ही जाएंगे. Recently, he even conquered the skies with skydiving. To this marathon man, we say, fly even higher. His legacy at Amazon will always inspire us to aim for newer heights. आपने Amazon फैमिली में स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड्स क्रिएट किए हैं. जैसे ही आप नई जर्नी की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, हम आपकी जर्नी से सीख रहे हैं. थैंक यू मनीष.
I hope you liked it. And if you do, then please share this video and subscribe to my channel, Rahul Arya. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for all the love and support. This is Rahul Arya signing off.